Question 1. In which of the following group of organisms, food material is broken down outside the body and absorbed? A. Mushroom, green plants, amoeba. B. Yeast, mushroom, bread mold. C. Paramecium, amoeba, cuscuta. D. Cuscuta, lice, tapeworm. Answer B. Yeast, mushroom, bread mold. Question 2. Select the correct statement. A. Heterotrophs do not synthesize their own food. B. Heterotrophs utilize solar energy for photosynthesis. C. Heterotrophs synthesize their own food. D. Heterotrophs are capable of converting carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates. Answer A. Heterotrophs do not synthesize their own food. Question 3. In the following diagram, identify the cells through which massive amounts of gaseous exchange takes place for photosynthesis. Answer A. 1, B. 4, C. 3, D. 2. Answer B. 4. Question 4. Opening and closing of stomata is due to A. High pressure of gases inside the cells. B. Movement of water in and out of the guard cells. C. Stimulus of light in the guard cells. D. Diffusion of in and out of the guard cells. Answer B. Movement of water in and out of the guard cells. Question 5. Mention the respiratory unit and respiratory pigment of human beings. Answer 5. Alveolus is the respiratory unit and hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment of human beings. Question 6. What is photolysis? Answer Photolysis is the process of decomposition of water into hydrogen and hydroxyl ions. This process uses photons of sunlight and takes place in grana during light phase of photosynthesis reaction. Question 7. Though bile juice does not contain any enzymes, it plays an important role in digestion. Explain. Answer Bile juice is secreted from liver. It helps in emulsification of fats, i.e. it breaks large lipid molecules into smaller globules so that lipase enzyme can easily convert these emulsified fats into fatty acids and glycerol. It also makes the medium alkaline in small intestine so that the enzymes of pancreatic juice and intestinal juice can activate and perform their respective functions as the food that enters into small intestine from stomach is acidic in nature. Question 8. State the role of ATP in cellular respiration. Answer Energy currency for cellular processes. ATP breaks down to give a fixed amount of energy, which can drive the endothermic reactions taking place in the cell. Question 9. During summer season we drink a lot of water in comparison to winter, yet we pass urine fewer times in summer than in winter. Explain. Answer During summer season we lose most of the water through perspiration, so we pass urine fewer times. During summer we drink a lot of water and kidneys reabsorb more water from the urine, making the urine thicker as compared to winter season in order to maintain the water balance in our body. Question 10. Name the following. A. Juice that contain trypsin enzyme. B. Part of alimentary canal where water is absorbed from unabsorbed food. C. Secretions released by gastric glands. D. Part which separates chest cavity from abdominal cavity. E. Valve present between left auricle and left ventricle of heart. F. Part of nephron where ultrafiltration occurs. Answer: a pancreatic juice. B. Large intestine. C. Gastric juice containing pepsin enzyme, mucus, HCl. D. Diaphragm. E. Bicuspid valve. F. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Question 11. Answer the following. A. Mention two components of blood. B. Trace the movement of oxygenated blood in our body. C. Give two structural differences between the composition of artery and vein. Answer 11. Two components of blood are liquid part which is plasma and cellular component, which includes RBCs, WBCs, platelets. B. Oxygenated blood from lungs is carried by pulmonary veins gives left auricle gives left ventricle gives different body parts through aorta. See the diagram and study table for mentioned below. Question 12. In a tabular form, state 3 digestive glands, their secretions and the substrates they act upon in human beings. Answer: see the table given below. Question 13. Name the 3 types of blood vessels. Give 1 important features of each. Answer: the 3 types of blood vessels are A. Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. A. Arteries. They carry oxygenated blood from the heart and transport it to different organs. B. Veins. They carry deoxygenated blood from organs and take this blood to the heart. C. Capillaries. Capillaries are thinnest and smallest blood vessels. Exchange of material between the blood and surrounding cells takes place across them. Question 14. Describe the mechanism of urine formation in human excretory system. Draw a labeled diagram to illustrate your answer. Answer: mechanism of urine formation. The formation of urine occurs in 3 steps. A. Ultrafiltration. Blood flows under high pressure in glomerulus and the liquid portion of the blood filter out from glomerulus and passes to the cup-shaped cavity of Bowman's capsule, and this process is called ultrafiltration. B. Selective reabsorption. It is the process of selective absorption of useful substances like glucose, water, some salts etc. from glomerular filtrate which is obtained from ultrafiltration by different parts of nephron. C. Tubular secretion. Some harmful substances like chemicals, drugs like penicillin, potassium icons etc. are released by renal tubule to the forming urine called tubular secretion. D. The formed urine is then received by collecting ducts which pours into the pelvis of kidney. Question 15. Each and every respiratory organ is structurally specialized in its function. Justify with examples. B. Write the pathway of oxygen traveling from atmosphere into the human body. Ans. 15. Various respiratory organs and their specialized functions are as follows. 8. Nostrils and nasal cavity. It is lined with mucous membrane and fine hairs which trap dust, dirt, harmful bacteria and other foreign substances and prevent their entry into the respiratory tract. Though trachea, it is the windpipe through which air enters, and it is divided into bronchi and bronchioles so that each and every part of lungs can be supplied with air. 3. Alveoli. These are thin-walled, small sacs-like structures present inside lungs, spherical in shape, which increase the respiratory surface, thus providing efficient gaseous exchange. Thus we can say that each and every respiratory organ is structurally specialized in its function. B. Nostrils gives nasal passage, gives pharynx, gives larynx, gives trachea, gives bronchi, gives bronchioles, gives alveolar sacs. Question 16. Two green plants are kept separately in oxygen-free containers, one in the dark and other in sunlight. It was observed that plant kept in dark could not survive longer. Give reason for this observation. Answer. The plant kept in dark is unable to carry out photosynthesis, and due to absence of oxygen it cannot respire. But the plant kept in light is able to photosynthesize, converting into oxygen which it can use for respiration. Question 17. What precautions should be taken to study the liberation of carbon dioxide gas during aerobic respiration? Directions. For question numbers 18 and 19, two statements are given, one labeled assertion A and the other labeled reason R. Select the correct answer to these questions from the codes A, B, C, and D as given below. A. Both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of the assertion. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer. Precautions are: 1. Germinating seeds should be moist. 2. Flask should be airtight. 3. Delivery tube must be immersed in water inside beaker. 4. Solution in a small vial must be kept inside conical flask. Question 18. Assertion: aerobic animals are not truly aerobic. Reason: they produce lactic acid anaerobically. Answer. In most animal tissues, oxidation is carried out by aerobic respiration. But sometimes in aerobically respiring organisms, anaerobic metabolism takes place in certain tissues like skeletal muscles, which do not get as much as oxygen required and produce lactic acid. Thus both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Question 19. Assertion: the effect of root pressure in transport of water is more important at night. Reason: during the day, stomacher is open, transpiration takes place which help in transport of water. Answer. During the day transpiration becomes the main driving force for pulling up of water. But at night, since there is no sunlight, transpiration does not take place, so water is pulled up due to root pressure. Thus, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Question 20. If a person has a systolic pressure of 140 mm of Hg and the pulse pressure is 40 mm of Hg, then what will be his diastolic pressure? Answer: we know that pulse pressure is the difference between systolic and diastolic pressure. So, let us take diastole pressure as x. Systole pressure diastole pressure equals pulse pressure. 140 x equals 40. X equals 140 minus 40 equals 100 millimeters of Hg. So, the diastolic pressure of the person is 100 millimeters of Hg.